Hi guys, thanks so much for watching today. I have a Hobby Lobby haul, and I went the other day and I just I was picking up stuff that I wanted, especially the home decor, which I'll put in a separate haul. And this haul will be craft supplies or craft items with their clearance. And I just have, well, I have a few, yeah, well, quite many, but a few. And it was just some things that I've been wanting on my wish list, and I finally picked them up as far as the home decor. Why am I talking about home decor and a craft? Because I was going to put it all together, but I've been picking up stuff other stores. So I'll just make a separate video. So anyway, I found when I went, they didn't have as many clearance markdowns, but they did have some. And the manager or somebody answered the phone. I wanted to just make sure before I went if they marked down like punches or more things. And he said they had a whole separate area, which I didn't double check or I didn't ask anybody. But I found enough stuff and I said, you know, I'm done after this. So I didn't even ask them. He said they set up a whole nother section. They had enough stuff. So I don't know where that was. I didn't know quite what he meant because I found plenty down the aisles. I don't know, y'all. So I did see these, I believe, in 504 Pretty Things, Kendra's haul. The clear stamps 3-ring storage binders. They were $3.75. They also come in black, but I don't think those were on sale. No, they weren't. And so I picked up 2 of them. They only had 2 left, and I hope it's not showing super shiny. That's what it looks like on the back. And let's see, it's a 9 by 9.5, and you get 5 of these refill pages here, and you put your stamp. Usually they come on a clear sheet, your stamps. So I love anything that will help organize my craft stuff even more. So I did pick up some extra pages. I'm not going to do this in any type of order. I don't know. I'm not. So I'm just going to pull it out the bag. And so the pages, I used my 40% off with those because those were not on sale. So I picked up 2 of those binders to help. Oh, here it is. So I didn't know where it was at. It was $4.99 and I got it for $2.49, and you only get 5 of them. I think they should give you a little bit more, but that's a good starting point. Maybe every time I go in there I will pick some up. Okay, so like I said, I think I'm done with picking up some craft items unless it's just something I just want, so I can go back on my word. But also I do have like 3, which I might piece one together, that I picked up some clearance stuff a while ago, and I just haven't uploaded or edited those because I felt like I was talking too much in them, and I just haven't had time, and the lighting was crazy. But I probably uploaded anyway still. So if you're like, well, Hope said she was done, but anyway, I can change my mind. So I picked up 2 of these DIY parties. You guys know I like to do celebrations and parties for my family. So if I can find some type of crafting tool to help with that, especially when someone has a party or my budget is tight and I don't have anything, but I can go in there and make something out of what I have, which I enjoy doing, and that happens a lot with other people. So I like picking up little stuff like this. So this is DIY party. This is the rosette punch, and it was originally $19.99 and it was $5. We are memory keepers, and I think this was the highest thing, maybe other than this planner cover, that I picked up. So I'm thinking what this is a rosette punch, and it punches the outer corner. It doesn't actually make the rosettes itself. It like decorates the outer edge of the rosettes. This one here is a garland punch, and I'm trying to think if it was one more and I just left it there. They did have some different other ones to decorate and embellish, like the alphabets and for the punch board and the numbers, but I didn't want that. This is a garland punch, and this one was $5, originally $19.99, and it looks like that, and that's about the size of the punches. Then they had this one. They had some other ones, but I wanted to get what I really thought I would use or like. This is by Momenta. And this is the punch and stamp set. It's $12.99 and it's marked down for $3.75. And here are some of the stamps. And here's the punch. So it's like a conversation bubble. What does that say? Oh, yay. I thought it said gag. I was like, what in the world? As far as these punches, which are by Eek Tools, I picked up these. I picked up 3 of them. I didn't pick up all of them. And the lips, $4.25, marked down from $16.99. The pineapple, great for card making, $4.25, and they are heavy. This one here looks like it's a dove or a bird, but I just assumed it was a dove. And then this one here is the edge, large edge punch, and this is $4.75 from $18.99, and it makes, let's see, well, that's the design it makes, what you see on the punch there on the card. Okay, and then the last 2, this one here is the mini punches. It was $2.75 from $10.99, and it has the sign of the fish and a cross. So I thought this was neat. I think it was maybe a few other ones. They didn't have boatloads, but they had enough. This is a stamp, and this is the Amy Tangerine. This was $1.50 from $5.99. And it just has like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, weekend celebrate, oh happy life from American Crafts. So I hope I don't already have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but for $1.50. As far as planner stuff, I only picked up 3 items. I really didn't have too much left. Some of the items when I was there and I was on a really tight budget was that when I went and I only had $60 to spend that day. They may have had more covers and I had to say no because I picked up 2 other covers, which you'll see in a future haul. So the Carpe Diem personal planner, this is the Black Blossom. It's a 6-ring binder and it was $7.50 and from $29. As I open it up, it's really pretty. Glue that sucker on. And some pockets here. And I was also looking for the notebook. The notebook was gone. I wanted the notebook for something in particular now. Even though I got plenty of notebooks. But I wanted it for something that I'm working on now. So that is such a pretty color. That was $7.50 from, yeah, I told you guys. And this was the personal monthly planner inserts, the balloon. So that is the same collection, yeah. $2.25 from $8.99, and it's undated, and it comes with a full acetate dashboard, decorative dashboard, personal 12 personal tabs, dividers, and monthly calendar inserts. I didn't plan on opening it, but I said go ahead and open it, I hope. So there's the hello today. And then here's, oh, your dashboard where you put your name. And then January, Life in Full Bloom. So hopefully you guys can find this in your store. Follow your heart. Yeah, this is just the monthly. And they didn't have any other personal. They did when I went the first time. But I was trying to get the A5 size. But I couldn't say no to that pretty cover. And December, am I at December already? No, October. There are many beautiful reasons to be happy. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a little special in every day. And one, is it one note sheet or a couple? What was a couple? So that's a good deal for $2.25. Also, I had these in my buggy and I put it back. And look at there. I found them again. So the planner dividers, probably because I don't think I took it all, but maybe somebody else did. I don't know. The Carpe Diem, this is the A5 size, and you'll see in another haul where I picked up some other products for the A5. This is the planner dividers. It was $6.99 originally, and here are the covers. And I put them back because, you know, when you're process of elimination, and you're like, you only have like a certain, or you give yourself a budget, and you're like, what do I really need? And technically I talked myself out of that because I was like, I can make my own, to say all that. So I did pick up the rest are stamps, and wood stamps and clear stamps. So the Hello Arts, the poly clear stamps, originally $15.99. They were marked down to $4, which I still think is a lot, but there's still some cute stamps, especially when I'm doing parties for my family or whoever. It's party time. Join us for 4A, 2A. Please come, hooray. It's a surprise. You're invited. Let's separate. Let's celebrate. RSVP, food and fun, blase, blase, who, what, where, when. Time for yay, shush, and join the fun. So I thought these were cute, especially for, and I think this was the only one for $4. This one here, Illustrate Faith, originally $9.99, marked down to $2.50. I like this. This says today's scripture, Lord, remind me of the grace prayer list, and all of these other ones, right, for Bible journaling. That was the only one as well. Oh, I keep picking up stuff for my mom, and I keep forgetting because I haven't hauled it. That's why. So I picked up Mama one of these. I don't even know if she has a stamp. But for 75 cents, I figured it wouldn't, I should pick her up one. So this is by Stampabilities. It says hashtag weekend, messy hair don't care, hello weekend, Sunday fun day, bring on the weekend. I woke up like this. I hate Mondays. Friday. So today's Sunday, and I'm feeling not all of that, but some of that. Picked up one for her. I need to put that up so I can remind to give it to her. This mason jar with the banner, 75 cents. What a great price. And be strong, go with your heart, and believe in miracles, because anything can happen, for $2.99. Then the rest are blocks. No, I got one more clear stamp. This one is my sentiments exactly, $1.75, and I figured, even though it's tough for me to pick up stuff like Christmas or another holiday sometimes, that I couldn't help but to get this because it was $1.75. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday Season greetings, Happy New Year to you and yours. Marked down from $6.99 to $1.75. And the rest now are wood stamps. Now I thought I was done with the wood stamps, and because I want to use my wood stamps, but I don't. And I'm going to find a way to organize my stamps so they are out. I know I showed you guys in that craft video, but I want to have them displayed out instead of in a drawer. So, especially like for card making and stuff like that. It comes such in handy. Especially when you wait to the last minute to do something for someone's birthday, or someone's birthday came up and you're like, so you can just go in your craft room and you can put something together right quick. I like that. I did that for my kids' Valentine's this year. So this one says family is one of life's greatest blessings. It was $1.75. And you just can't get over these low prices. So it's a fantastic day to be fabulous. And they still have plenty, but what I try to do is pick up the ones that I love, the sayings that I really like. And that's from $6.99, and now it's $1.75. This one is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. But this one says I can do everything through Christ that strengthens me. And it's $2.25. So I'm going to take this off. And that's what I tell myself all the time from $8.99. All the time when I feel like I just can't do anything. I told myself that ever since I was a little girl. So that really helps me. This one that was $1 says thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I also want them to be out, because, you know, even if my boys say, Mama, you know, I got a project or something they need to do, or even if they want to make me a card or something, of course I want them to ask so they won't mess up my stuff. But they can see it displayed out. This one says, have I told you how much I love you today? How much I love you. And this one is $2. And I like this one because Jason used to always ask me, have I told you, did I tell you I love you today? Or if I tell you how beautiful you are today, when we were first courting. He don't do that anymore. And he used to say that all the time. So I had to get this one. And I guess, you know, I had some low self-esteem, you know, being out of a, not really a relationship, but thought I was in a relationship with my oldest son's father. So, you know, he just really made me feel loved and appreciated. He would say that all the time. He said, if I ain't told you today, I love you today, and that you are beautiful. And he would say that every day. So after a while, I guess he got tired of saying it. So anyway, this one says, life is fragile, handle it with prayer. This is $1. I definitely had to get it from $3.99. When life gets too hard to stand, kneel, $1.75. So prayer definitely gets you through so many things in life. So I definitely had to pick those up. This one says, congratulations. I probably should have picked up the other one. It was in a different font. And this was $1, so you couldn't beat that for $1. And it's a party, of course. I'm always doing a party for somebody, or, you know, most time you do stuff by email, but I thought that would be neat to just pick that up. They also had a great big invitation stamp. You guys seen that at Hobby Lobby? And I was tempted to get it because it was only like $2 something, but I was like, you have to get that just perfect, or that's gonna mess up that card or whatever. So I just left it there. I guess everybody's thinking the same thing. Be your own kind of beautiful. I have this little decal in my, I just like this saying, in my mom cave, from the decal from the Dollar Tree. So this is from $9.99, and this was $2.50. And that is it, guys. I thought I had more than that, but I think I'm thinking about all of the pictures and stuff that I picked up, and I'll put that in a separate haul. So thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.